Today we're making soft, fluffy marshmallows with no sugar. They are super easy to make and you only need 4 simple ingredients. So let's get started. In your stand mixer, add 1 cup of water and 1/3 cup gelatin and let it sit for 10 minutes. While it's sitting on a stove, add to a small pot 1 cup of water and 2/3 cup of allulose. And bring this to a simmer on medium heat. And let it simmer until you're ready to add it to the gelatin mixture. When the 10 minutes is up, turn your stand mixer on low and let it mix for 30 seconds. And this is what it will look like as it's starting to mix. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then slowly add the boiling water sweetener mixture. Then you can turn the speed up and let it mix for 10 to 12 minutes until stiff peaks form. Then you can pour it into a parchment-lined baking pan and smooth it out as much as you can. I like to use a cake pan so the marshmallows aren't quite as big. And refrigerate it until it's fully set. And once it's fully set, you can move it to a cutting board and cut it to the desired size. If you want that sugary coating, you can always toss it in powdered keto sweetener, but I don't do that when I'm using it for baking. And that's it. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.